The statements in the following podcast have not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration. The products that we talk about on this podcast are not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. Individual effects may vary among products. If you have an existing medical condition, please consult your doctor prior to use. Consumers today are looking for customized everything, and this includes their vitamins and minerals. The digital age has brought about a trend that doesn't show any signs of slowing down. Today's consumer researchers purchase more than ever before. The internet and social media have turned shoppers into PhD students looking for information to back up their final dissertation. People rarely purchase anything unless they have researched it online and read all they can about it, including product reviews. As such, you must ensure your vitamins and minerals have comprehensive information online and positive reviews for those who already have purchased them. You might also ask yourself, what about custom vitamin packs to set your business above the rest? More and more consumers have continued to ask, do you carry custom vitamin packs? The reason is simple. Another consumer may want a customized combination of vitamin B and C and D to cover his or her deficiency. Studies show that vitamins and minerals can boost health in combination with proper medical care and prescribed medication. So bear in mind your consumers may have different health concerns. Those with diabetes might need a supplement combination that helps them control their blood sugar levels. Others might want a combination of healthy oils that work in tandem with their prescribed statins to help control their cholesterol. People suffering from certain mental health issues know that certain vitamins and herbal remedies could potentially work for them. The country's medical industry is embracing alternatives alongside traditional therapies. Don't ignore the benefits of offering customization because many consumers today ask, do you offer custom vitamin packs? Illness is not the only consideration to ask when you ask if your business should start putting together custom vitamin packs. Fitness is also taking the nation by storm, and people are as diverse in their fitness goals as they are in their overall health. Some people want to become the next Arnold Schwarzenegger and look for supplementation that emphasizes muscle mass. Others want to become lean and mean, so they want supplementation that focuses on weight loss. To stay competitive with the nation's supplement market, you must offer a variety of products that address fitness goals and trends. It is important to keep in mind trends and stay on a regular basis. Ask your marketing department to research the latest fitness trends taking the nation by storm. This includes the most popular social media fitness stars. Then ask your research and development department, how do we meet these trends with custom vitamin packs? Your strategy should always be how do we stay on top of the game and manufacture products that match these trends. But as I stated before, keep in mind these trends change on a regular basis. Never underestimate the importance of wellness. A record number of people are taking up alternative medicine and therapies to keep them healthy and happy. If you begin to offer custom vitamin packs to your customers, make sure you stay on top of your niche. Studies show that people don't need most of the vitamins and minerals found in the multivitamins sold throughout the nation. If they eat a healthy diet, they're getting the vitamins they need in their food. That being said, vitamins and minerals may help people achieve fitness goals and boost wellness. So find out today if creating custom vitamin packs meet your consumers' demands for your business. If you want to learn a little bit more, please read our blog article all about it online at our website at ionlabs.com. And by all means, please like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube page to make sure that you stay updated on all of our brand new podcasts and videos that we release. As always, I'm Max, and thank you for listening to the Ion Labs podcast.